Hello everyone, welcome back to Technic Floors Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage and create your cart and cart design in ShopFunnels. Let's get started. Now, here on my admin login page, let's log in. Then we'll be greeted by our ShopFunnels dashboard. To access the cart design, just click on the Products tab and select Cart Design. And now choose your store. So I will choose this. Then here, you can create your cart. Click on Add Cart button to add a new one. Now you'll see two tabs here. One is for cart icon and the other is for cart widget. So let's start with the cart icon. Now you have an option here to make it as a default cart. When you click on yes, then you'll see a default cart on your pages. So let me show you an example. Let me choose yes and save it. Now if you paste this shortcode without ID on the page, then the cart icon will show on the page. For example, I'll copy this shortcode and go to my store. Select the pages, then I open the editor. Now you can paste shortcodes anywhere on this page. For example, I'll paste this shortcode here. I'll search here custom. And I'll paste the shortcode and remove the ID from here. Then save it. After saving it successfully, let's go to the page, refresh it, and this is my home page. Now you'll see the cart that I have added. And that is how the default cart icon works. Now let me show you another setting. Here you can see the hide cart icon when no product is available in the cart. That means if your customer has no product in their cart, then this cart icon will not show on any pages. Let me show you. Let's choose yes here and save the settings. Here you'll see the cart icon is visible since it has products added. So let me remove the product first from the cart and refresh the page. Now you won't see the cart icon. It will only appear when you add a product on your cart. Next option you have here is changing its design from the icon to image. You have options for your cart icons here, or you can add your own cart image here. Let me choose this one to show you. Save my settings and let's go back to the page and refresh it. And now you'll see the new icon. Next, here you can see the open widget on click or redirect to cart page option. So whenever I click here, this will open a cart. So right here when you choose the option of redirect to cart page, then when you click on the cart, it'll redirect you to your cart page. Now let's move on to another option. So here you can see icon color, icon size, and if I want to change those, it's easily done here. This is the Z index. Z index means overlapping the HTML elements, and if you Z index on the cart, then this cart icon will overlap this HTML element and will show above the HTML content. Now this is the background color, the count, color, and size. Let me increase the font size of the count. Let me add in count position so that this count will appear above the icon. Let me add top position or -104. Now that it's okay, let's add the left position to 67. And this is okay. Review, and when everything is okay, let us save the setting. Now if I refresh the page, you will see the changes here. So this is how you can manage the cart icon. Now let's move on to the Cart Widget tab. See here on the page, when I click on the cart icon, it will show you your widget. This is your cart widget, and this is your widget setting where you can change anything you want. For example, I want to change this shopping cart text. I'll edit it here in the header and footer section. And on the right side, you'll see the real-time preview of what you're editing. Then I'll change the background color. and the rest that I want here. Save it, then refresh the page. And now if I click on the cart icon, it will show all the changes that I have made. And that is how you manage your cart widget. And if you want to show this cart icon and widget on all pages, what you'll need to do is, you can paste this shortcode on all pages. For example, I just copy the shortcode, and I also want this shortcode on the collection page. Now I'll just select the header and footer from here. Now just click on the Edit Existing page, and I can paste the shortcode anywhere on this page. For example, here. Then after this, I'll click this plus icon and search Custom Code. And select it. And I'll just paste the shortcode here. Then save it. Now this card will show on my collection page. So this is how you can add it on a collection page. But if you want to add your card shortcode on all pages, doing it one by one is not a good way. Let me show you an easy way to add card shortcode on every pages. You can create a header and choose this header file on every pages. So first of all, I'll just delete this shortcode which I have added a while ago. Save the page, and now let's select the home page. Click on Edit Existing Page and delete the card shortcode and save the page. And now you can create here your new header file. Let's name it Header 4. Now click on Settings and choose the page category as Header and save the setting. Go back, click on Create from Scratch and click here Components. And search here Custom Code. Drag this Custom Code widget, now paste the shortcode here and save this settings. After saving, go to your home page, Settings, and select the header file. Save the settings, and after I visit the page, you can see here the cart icon. You can select this header file on any page. For example, I want to add cart icon on the confirmation page. Let me select the confirmation page, go to its settings, and select the header file as Header 4. Save it, and if you visit the page, you will see the cart icon. So this is an example of adding a cart icon on any page. We also have another method of adding cart icon. You can add cart shortcode in the menu shortcode. On the sidebar section, you will see CF menu plugin. Click on it and click on all menus. I have already created a menu, so I'll just click on Edit Menu. In another video in this playlist, you will find how to use CF menu plugins. But for now, I'll show you a short summary about this menu plugin. So this is my menu, and I'll click on Extra Buttons. Here is the Add Cart button. You can just enable this option, and you can paste in your cart shortcode here. This is my cart shortcode. I'll copy it and paste it here. Then save it. Now I'll copy this new shortcode. I'll go to my store, select my Header 4 page, click on Edit Existing Page, then replace this shortcode with the new one. Then save it. Now I will select this Header 4 file in my home page. So I'll click on the first page, go to its settings, and right here choose Header 4. Then save the settings. When you are using this cart shortcode in your menu plugin, you'll also need to enable this option, Use as Button Icon. Then save the page. Now if I visit my homepage, you will see a menu here, and this is my cart icon. So that is how you can add your cart icon in your menu. You can also add it to your other pages. For example, I want this menu in my product page. This is my product page, so I'll just click on the settings and just select the header here and save it. Now here you'll see your header, menu, and footer, and this is your cart icon. Using this method, you will not need to paste your card shortcode everywhere. So this is how you can manage the cart and designer in your ShopFunnels. You can also create multiple cart designs for your store. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.